Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add a comment on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do to add a comment on your picture app, all you have to do just click here on this picture or any picture you want. Then it's going to show for you like this, and you just go down, then it's going to show for you like this, and all you have to do you just click here, and it's going to show for your window like this. In here you can add your comment on this picture, and you can act here. So, and only can you act with this emojis here on your picture. So that's all you have to do to do that on your Pinterest app. I wish now you are get it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.